I'm Karen Atkins, Emergency Manager for the City of McKinney. Severe weather season starts every March. We're still in severe weather season, and preparedness is everybody's responsibility. So the City of McKinney uses an array of tools to help us prepare and alert citizens. One of those tools is the outdoor warning siren system. The outdoor warning siren system is exactly what it says. It's a system to warn citizens who are outdoors, and we ask that you move indoors and get more information. So the outdoor warning system is activated when the National Weather Service puts out a severe thunderstorm warning that is indicating either hail 1.5 inches or greater, or dangerous winds at 70 miles per hour or greater. At that point, we would set off the outdoor warning siren system. Other reasons it could be set off is if a tornado warning is issued and the City of McKinney is named in its path. And then the outdoor warning siren system could also be used for other critical emergencies, like hazardous materials or any type of state or federal disaster. So citizens may hear sirens being sounded from neighboring jurisdictions. We all sort of overlap a little bit at our borders. So be very cognizant of that during a storm, and just know that one city may sound their sirens and another may not, depending on where the tornado warning is or where the storm warning is and the path of that storm. So when you hear the outdoor warning siren system activate, you may need to seek immediate shelter. If so, and you're in your home, you want to put as many layers between you and the outside as possible. So typically in your home, that's going to be a small closet, maybe a bathroom or a washroom. So seek that out ahead of time. If you're outside in your car, you really want to try to get out of your vehicle. If you're caught on a road, you want to lie in a low-lying ditch until the storm passes. If you can get to a safe place prior to the storm actually hitting, then you want to get out of that vehicle and get into a sturdy structure. Some things that you would want to keep at your home, first and foremost, is a NOAA weather radio. A NOAA weather radio is a radio that you can program specifically to Collin County or the surrounding counties. And as the storms come in, you will get the alerts from the National Weather Service. We like to call it our indoor personal alerting device. So just like you'll hear the sirens outdoor, you'll hear your NOAA weather radio go off indoors. And when that radio goes off, that's telling you to seek shelter. And so basically, you would want to have that radio, battery backup, grab it and take it into your safe place. And then you can also use that to get additional information so that you know when it's time to come out of your safe place. So things that you want to keep on hand and have in your emergency kit at home are going to include water, some sort of food items that have a long shelf life. If you wear glasses, you might want to put an extra pair of glasses. If you take specific medications and you can get additional medication, you might want to rotate some medication in that kit just in case your house becomes impacted and you need those items with you. There's several other items that you might want to put in your preparedness kit, and you can go to www.mckinneyoem.org and there's an entire list online.